This AirTop template automatically turns LinkedIn conversations into qualified leads. It identifies people who are commenting on posts relevant to your industry, and then it adds those people to a Google Sheet or your CRM. So you can find your next customer in the comments. All we have to do is give it a LinkedIn profile. Let's give it Amir's profile. Put that in there. Output type Google Sheet. You can add a Prospeo API key if you want to get emails for your leads. Then you run it. The agent does its thing. As you can see, it takes very few credits to run. And then you end up with a list of 10 new leads. But you can ask it to look at as many LinkedIn profiles as you want. You can get hundreds of new leads from this. So, very useful tool. To use this template, just click Try Agent for free and chat with AirTop's AI Agent Builder. You can use the Agent Builder to personalize the template however you like. You just need to give it a LinkedIn profile to test with, and if you want to gather emails for your leads, give it your Prospeo API key. You can use the suggested agent parameters or change them if you want. Then AirTop will run a test to make sure the automation works properly. If the test looks good, it's time to deploy. Congratulations, you've just built an AirTop agent.